Okay, this is the overview of the TaifaCare, that is KenyaEMR. Then this one is the login screen. So you enter your username, then continue, then this password. We log in. Now this is the dashboard. You can clearly see it shows the active visit, the total visit for today, then the scheduled visit, and these are the patients that are active. Then on your left, there is home, patient service, linkage, diagnostic, claims management, referral, ward, mortuary, then the billing. For the patient services, there is service on the queue, then there's appointment. Then for the linkage service, we have educator case management. Now for the when you come this side, this is where we search for our client. You just enter the identification number of the client. Maybe you have the ID. You search using this number. Then we have here the KenyaEMR modules. We have the system information, KenyaEMR home, facility dashboard. We have very many. Maybe we shall go one by one on these modules so that we learn what it does. For now, maybe you can also follow our website. We have the tutorials. It will teach you what to do and what each module does. Then for this one, we have implementer tool. I'll not teach that for today. Then here it has the account. That is, you can see it indicate the username and the person who has logged in, and the language. You can, if you want to change the language, you can change it here. Then it say we are at maternity. Then the password, you can also change your password from this interface. Then we have, if you want to register a new client, you just click here and it takes you to the registration page so that you can register a new client. So that is for today. Maybe when you are here, you can, if you want to navigate to KenyaEMR module, it will take you to the old module that we are using. So let us see. So here is the module. We have registration module, triage, HIV testing, adherence counseling, clinician, prep, after start, patient tracking, chat, reports, facility, dashboard, the air, ETL admin, data quality. Then we have L admin, ushauri, referrals, data manager, directory, facilities admin, NOP verification, and so forth. We have KP provider, the peer calendar, COVID-19, machine learning developer, and cross-border. Okay, for example, I just passed through, but when you go to the website, you'll find have defined each section with what it contains. For example, the facility dashboard, it will show you how many people are on care and so forth, those people who are active. And for the report, it will tell you we have all the report that is needed for KenyaEMR. You'll find it here. Maybe just we have a look at it, then we shall continue. So you click on it. So these are the reports that are available on KenyaEMR. So when you come to this section, you'll be able to download and extract every report that you need. So these are the common reports that we have in KenyaEMR under common. Then under cohort analysis, we have these reports, mostly are ART reports. We have cohort for the 6 month, 12 month, 24 month, 36 month, 48 and 60 month. Then we have these reports, EHR reports, they are here. Then we have HIV reports, they are here. That is for now. So let me go back to reports. I just click here on reports. Then let me go back home. So here for the new system, we used to register here, but when you click on registration, it will take you to the new interface. Then what you do, as I had said earlier, you just press this icon, then you'll be able to register client. Maybe for our next video, we shall see how to register new client in our new TaifaCare EMR system. Thank you.